Well, welcome to the third of 5 videos looking at how to monitor and control a traditional project management project. And what we're going to do during this video is look at some different types of reports. So the most common type of report you're going to see is this idea of a Gantt chart progress status report. Okay, so again, very common type of report. You're kind of tracking each project to determine what was budgeted, what is actual, and what's occurring within that project. So you will see this over and over and over again, something you should be very familiar with. An exception report, a stoplight report, is this idea that you use the colors associated with a traffic stoplight to make a determination. And as I shared in the previous video, if the project's green, I read it, I understand it, I move on. If the project is amber, that means that it has an issue, but that my direct report, someone working on the project, is handling it. If it's red, that means I need to intervene, and that means the expectation is I need to intervene at that particular point. All right. When we look at burn charts are where we're tracking a particular resource. In this particular case, it's project labor hours remaining. And again, it's a planned versus actual. And again, if you look at this over the length of a project, you can get a sense of where you're ahead of schedule or behind schedule in terms of your burn of particular resources. And that could be any resource associated with a particular project. All right, this is a cumulative report, and in this particular case, you're looking at over time, are you on schedule or behind schedule? And in this case, you've got a project that is becoming increasingly late. It's becoming increasingly late a little bit at a time. And so you're going to need some intervention to make sure that this project finishes on schedule. Let's look at a different one now. So in this particular case, you had something similar. But look what's happened. You've had a recovery take place, and now you're early. A breakthrough took place during that 6 month that allows you where you're now more than 2 months early on delivering this project. Kind of cool, huh? Only got really 1 more month to go if you're running 2 months early. And then in this case, you've got a project that is consistently running early. Oh, what a great project to be associated with. All right, let's look at one more. Here we go. Again, project started out pretty much on schedule, a little under, but pretty much on schedule, doing great. And then a huge breakthrough has occurred. And because of that breakthrough, you're now running 3 months early. Means you really only have 1 more month left on this particular project. All right, well, very good. During this short video, the third of 5, what we've done is looked at different types of charts associated with a project. And what we're trying to get to is how do you monitor and control a traditional project management project. We've looked at cumulative reports, we've looked at burn charts, we've looked at traffic light charts, we've looked at Gantt charts during this short video. Amazing, we covered all that stuff. So what we're going to do during the next video is get into earned value charts and how those work. All right, so keep on learning, keep on studying, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.